Hey guys, welcome back to the video. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to get the water eject feature on any iPhone. As you can see, I already got it, so I'm going to delete it for you guys and actually show you how you get it. So first of all, you're going to click the link in the description. I'm going to leave the link to actually do this. So once you click the link in the description, it's going to take you to here. You're going to go down and you're going to see get shortcut. You're going to click on that. Once you do that, it's going to go circles. What's going to do after that, you're going to get this. Then you can promote it how you want the thing to be, so everything. So you're gonna scroll down and then you're gonna see this button, add untrusted shortcut. You're gonna click on that. Once it's added to shortcut, let's go to my shortcut. It's gonna be there. So when I say yeah, you're just gonna click OK. You're gonna allow it. So then yeah, this is how you do it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't drop a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. And yeah, peace.